A person standing 1 meter from a source hears a sound of 90 decibel. The person moved 99 meter away from the source. What is the new intensity level of the sound he hears? The equations we need, our first equation, intensity I equals power divided by area. So P divided by 4 pi r squared, considering it is spherical shape, it is distributed in spherical shape. So P of 4 pi r squared. So finally we can consider proportional to 1 over r squared. R is the distance from the source, right? And then intensity level beta equals 10 log I over I naught. Here I naught is the threshold of hearing, 10 to the power minus 12 watts per meter square. Getting into the question now, when doing this question, actually we have to convert this decibel values into intensity values, because we have to compare two different distances. So distance comparison we can do only using intensity. So 1 meter and plus 99 meters mean 100 meters, right? Now in these two, so let's find initial intensity here. So 90 decibels, so 90 equals 10 log I is what we need to find, divide by 10 to the power minus 12. Right, let's simplify it a bit. Now 0 and 0 cancel off. Now you can see log this value, this log value is 9. So that means the value inside this fraction has to be 10 to the power 9. So now log 10 to the power 9 is 9. So we can consider I over 10 to the power minus 12 gives 10 to the power 9 value. So simplified, from I we get 10 to the power minus 3. Right, now we know the intensity here, 10 to the power minus 3 watts per meter square, right? Then we can proportionate the distances, right? The equation we wrote earlier, I proportional to 1 over r square, right? Let's get into the question now. So I proportional to 1 over r squared. So here I can write 10 to the power minus 3 proportional to 1 over distance is 1, so 1 squared, first equation. Second equation here, intensity here we need to find now. So I proportional to 1 over, yes, 100 square. So what you have to do is you have to divide these two. So let's second one divide by first one. So 2 divided by 1. So I get I divided by 10 to the power minus 3 equals this value divided by 1. So we get 1 over 10 to the power 100 square 10 to the power 4. So here I get, for the simplification, I get I equals 10 to the power minus 7. Right, now we can find the decibel value of 10 to the power minus 7. So let's apply to the equation. Beta equals 10 log, here I is 10 to the power minus 7, that is divided by 10 to the power minus 12. So cancelling off, we get 10 to the power 5. 10 to the power 5 log value is 5. 5 into 10, it's 50 decibel. We get the third answer, you can see now. Alright students, if you have learned something new, so you know what you have to do is you have to find similar type of questions, find more questions and try them. If you think this is valuable, share it with your friends, study together and win together.